Cyber attacks are on the rise, but the most common break in the security chain isn't your software, it's your coworkers. In fact, attacks like phishing schemes are so effective at gaining access to credentials and personal data that employees are the #1 reason for accidental data loss. The uRISQ employee training module is designed to quickly equip your team with the ability to recognize and defend against a variety of social engineering attacks. Let's see how it works. Begin by logging into uRISQ using the URL provided to you. Once logged in, click on Training. Here, you'll be presented with all of the current uRISQ employee training videos. To begin watching, simply click the video you wish to watch in the video bar below the player and press play. Ready to share a training video with a colleague? Simply click the share icon on the thumbnail of the video you wish to share. In the pop-up box, you can either click Copy Video Link to get a shareable link or paste email addresses directly into the dialog box and click Send Invitations. uRISQ will even follow up with reminders if an employee has unfinished videos, so you don't have to. Awareness training is one of the most effective ways to decrease the likelihood of accidental data loss due to phishing, smishing, baiting, or other tactics. Take full advantage of the uRISQ employee training video library to protect your data, your customers, and your business.